Hello there, everybody. Welcome to the Daily Install Series, day number 9, and today we're going to be doing the 4008 build. You might be wondering, after our break, we're going to do another. Well, no, we're going to do Longhorn, and yeah, it's the second to last build for it, so might as well. Speaking of it, if we click on it, that totally doesn't look dissimilar. No. And yeah, let's see. There's the CD. Basically, all of these work the same. Longhorn. Yeah, it's nearly a similar setup to what we covered in 4005. But according, setup hasn't received any changes, so we can just reset the VM, enter setup, and what is the compile date? It's 19, 2003, and we now go to here. Whoopsie daisies. We gotta go and do power, reset, and the shitty round drive. Yes. Still the same. Look at the beautiful screen. It is one of the most wonderful boot screens I have seen. But once we reach 7, which actually now thinking about it, might do Whistler next. Or I might just install. You guys can't see. And we are going to format it, and we are going to bingo bongo bango. Nothing dissimilar from what we had in Windows Longhorn. Build 4005. Well, it was said that this is nearly the same as Longhorn Build 4001. It's just that there's a few little changes. But I like to say this was when we actually got the change in there. That was quick. Like, normally it needs like 2 reboots, and then bam, you're in the desktop. But here, like, just one. Holy shit. And I think you need more for Vista and above. Prove me wrong on 11, but actually, yes, I did kind of realize that 11 did update it, just not during on the retail release, on the first release. I think it was around 2024 or something. Please prove me if I'm wrong. Okay, hopefully you guys shouldn't be hearing background noise, because, well, I am afraid that's going to, copyright. But, yeah, this is our infinite account glitch. Do you know what that means? Oh! That's your limit? Well, damn! I thought it was infinite, but no. I guess we can have to add more on. So they let you add 3 more. That's fun. So that's what they were saying by the green. I was like, okay, are we going to do? Nope, the green's fucking this shit. So let's go take a look at the differences from last build. Appearance of Black Steamers. Oh, yep, that's right. That's right. No longer do we have the actual fucking hardware. We actually have a difference. We actually have normal. This won't appear until like Windows 8, 8.1. I mean, 3.1 had it, but yeah, you know. I don't really have any notifications. And one of the other differences. Nope, I'm good. And one of the other differences is that we no longer have a italicized thing. Oh, yeah, and Luna is no longer called the Plex theme. That was interesting. If you're wondering about the new taskbar, there it is. There's a new tie options, which allows you to add a tile, user, search, search, not column, search. That doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. That's not intentional. And this is our explorer. I'm not sure how you're supposed to do this. I'm not sure. But if we go to new folder, this is different. Up. So if we go to control panel. Okay, now it has the category view. Also, is there supposed? Okay, yeah, there's supposed to be a new stuff here. Also, assets. Supposed to do this. Burn DVD and create album. Guess this is like placeholder stuff. Yeah, there is. C drive. 2003, February. Beautiful. There's a properties. Oh wait, do we need to add a test document? All properties. Oh, you can add information. You could just add something. Lorem ipsum. Me. Other. Whoopsie daisies. Also, you can set a parental control. So let's make a. No. Okay. Yes. Okay, we want that. Switch the user to egg. It's gonna take a little bit of a. So this is egg. We just do a bit of a winver. Prove. Winver. Still also has 2006, by the way. And let's change the appearance. Classic. Lilac. Does it? Hold on. It changed, but you don't. Tray buttons. These are. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, Program running, and now we can set parental controls, which is right over contacts. Interesting. The UI is there's parental controls. The others are gonna use on PC. Oh, shit. Well, oh, what's uh, oh, you can only use it at 3 a.m. on a Wednesday. Okay, alright. Yep. Limited count. So what does it say when we try and go in and out? We're locked out. We're locked out. It makes a password. That's strange. Interesting. Uh, that's something we can't really show. But we can show that themes is gone. Because it is no longer a service. It is an executor from what I can tell. Also, Windows Media Player has been updated. And if you're wondering, no, we do not have. Oh, man, that sucks. Also, by the way, if you're wondering what does this button do, you can change the color. Yeah. And start page picture. Okay, you know what? Send me a screenshot of that because I am unsure of what that thing is supposed to look like. Findings, which we're not going to really do, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace.